What if I told you the biggest threat to OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google might not come from Silicon Valley? It might come from China, and it might cost 90% less.
Is that a real question?
Yes, it's for real. That's exactly what's happening right now. A Chinese AI company called DeepSeek has quietly become one of the most used AI platforms in the world. In May alone, DeepSeek recorded over 541 million monthly visits. That makes it the #1 AI platform in China and one of the top AI products on the planet. But the traffic numbers aren't the biggest story. The pricing is. DeepSeek recently announced that it is permanently cutting its API prices to just 1/4 of its previous rates. Let me translate that into business language. If you're building AI applications, AI agents, chatbots, automations, or software products, the cost difference can be enormous. DeepSeek now charges approximately 43 cents per million input tokens and 87 cents per million output tokens. Compare that to OpenAI. Compare that to Anthropic. Compare that to Google. In some cases, DeepSeek is nearly 30 times cheaper than leading American AI models. 30 times. That's not a discount. That's a disruption, and it's creating what many are calling China's AI price war. Companies aren't just competing on intelligence anymore. They're competing on cost, and that's forcing the entire industry to pay attention. Now, before everyone rushes to switch providers, there's a second question that matters just as much. Where does your data go? Because every business considering a cheaper AI provider is really making two decisions. How much money will I save, and what legal jurisdiction will my data live under? That's the part most headlines leave out. When you use an AI model, you're not just buying intelligence. You're also choosing where your prompts, conversations, business information, and customer data are processed. For some companies, the savings may be worth it. For others, compliance, privacy, regulation, and governance may be more important than the lowest price. That's why this story matters. It isn't really about DeepSeek, it's about competition. For years, AI companies could charge premium prices because there were only a handful of serious players. Now the market is changing fast. According to industry reports, Chinese AI providers now process a massive percentage of global AI traffic, and the number of serious competitors continues to grow. What we're witnessing is the beginning of what happened in cloud computing. Competition drives prices down, capabilities go up, customers win, and when customers win, adoption accelerates. What happens when AI agents cost less than a cup of coffee per day? That's where this is heading. The companies that learn how to leverage AI effectively will have a massive advantage. This is exactly why we're building Shamwari, to help businesses harness the power of AI regardless of which model wins the race. Because the real opportunity isn't choosing a model. The real opportunity is building systems that create value. If you want more AI news like this, exclusive insights, and early access to Shamwari demonstrations before our official launch, sign up using the link below.